Hello, 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 everyone. Happy Thursday. Welcome. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. We have something special that we're going to actually try out today. Now, yesterday was Vibe Code Wednesday. It's your first time here. Welcome. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe, okay? And comment down below and let me know if you are a first timer here at the Digital Craft Design Studio here. That's what I call it, my YouTube channel. All right. And so today we're going to be in Canva. We're going to create an app specifically for children, but a little different app that I think it will be quite helpful. And you will be able to learn how to do this. You don't need any tech background. It's very easy. All you need to know is how to talk. And I believe if you're able to, you have a voice, you can speak and prompt to create this actual app. And I'm going to show you how. We're going to be using Canva and Canva AI, and we're going to be using ChatGPT. Now, you can use whatever you want to use. You can listen to this, watch it, and go to Claude, Minus, Gemini, all the things there. But I'm going to be using these two, and you have freedom to use whatever you like. Okay, you can still use the same technique. All right, so let's get started. Oh, I'm Miss T, by the way. I am an AI educator and a digital creator, and my 2-year-old, well, she just turned 2 today. And I'm going to say fantastic twos. I'm going to speak it into existence, even though I'm getting a preview of terror here, but that's okay. And just to let you know, you will occasionally hear my two little ones in the background. But hopefully they have a little grace today. All right, so let's get started. We're going to head over to ChatGPT, and I want to create an actual busy book, but I want to create a busy book app, and I want this busy book app to be for my middle schoolers. So let's see what we can create. I use ChatGPT to build on ideas and to plan things, and then I'll go to another generator to actually execute it. So that could be for you, Claude, Gemini, Canva AI, wherever you like. All right. So I like to talk to chat rather than type. You can do whatever you like. Chat. I would like to build a actual app using Canva. In this particular app, I want it to be almost like a busy book kind of format where there is multiple different things that the child will be able to do, but it will be in an interactive way. So basically, an interactive busy book. I'm looking for this to be, let's say, from ages 7 to 10, because those middle schoolers, they get a little all right, so I think I could do this with the 7 to 2-year-olds. So all forms of things in topic, whether it's in science, um, social studies. I want fun activities that they're doing also, scavenger hunts around the community. Now, I want it to be generalized so it apply to wherever they're at, wherever they live, they'll be able to do these activities. Give me a few examples of at least 20 busy book interactive activities that we can include in this app before we actually start building it in Canva. All right, I'm going to let that all marinate and form into text. I'm going to wait so you can be able to get a screenshot of that or look and see. I hope you guys can see that well. Let me just put my screen up. Okay, just so I know you are able to get actually what I said in case you want to create your own for to sell or for your own child or niece and nephew. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And are you thirsty, Ava? Okay, that's my 2-year-old, guys. Now, you want something to drink? Yeah. voice. All right. Okay, so let's see. I'm back, guys. Let's see what some ideas we have. This looks really small, so I want to make sure you guys are able to see. All right, so write some short activities. A neighborhood scavenger hunting. Build a creature lab. I love that one. Grocery store math mission. That is cool. Emotion detective. Great. Around the board passport. Yes. Backyard scientist. Community traveler. Okay, this looks really good, guys. What do you guys think now? You have something. Oh, mini entrepreneur chat. That is absolutely amazing. Look, guys, I got coming up a actual ebook. It's gonna have all of the latest best summer side hustles or businesses that teens, children can start this summer. Okay, and so I will have that ebook ready. I think it's a great opportunity for children to start a business, and these are easy businesses with low cost, some even free, that they absolutely can get started if they want, and they can go ahead and take this all the way to the school year if they want to. So this is for middle schoolers, preteen, even college students. All right. So I like all the choices they have. Um, Again, I don't want it to be too complicated. So I'm satisfied for what I have. So let's get started and start building. All right, this looks really great. I want to make sure the interface is very easy for the children to get access to either choose the theme and then have options there below that they can click on, maybe even a checklist or a tracker or something, so they can click off what they completed, some kind of announcement or reward message that they get if they complete a particular um, if they completed a section entirely by them checking off or the tracking system. So I really want that as well. What else you recommend? We can go ahead and talk about that once I kind of look and see how it's generated in Canva AI. So let's go ahead. Let's create the give me either, will you let me guess, either the prompt or the JSON code that I need to create this app. Which one will be better to generate this in Canva code? Now I know in Canva when we're creating prompt generators, we need a JSON code, but this particular app is a little bit different. So I want to know, do I need a JSON code or do I just need a prompt to take over into Canva? So it's going to be better than raw. Okay. All right, so it's giving me a prompt. So that is better than actually giving me a JSON code. So let's start with that. I have my prompt. It is absolutely huge. I could have never came up with this by myself. That's why I really appreciate AI, because it really helps streamline our ideas and really get it out there and you get the technical terms and everything in place that we normally, especially me as a stay-at-home mom, but a former middle school educator, I still would not have been able to formulate this entire prompt. So now I have it. I'm going to go over here to Canva, and I am in Canva AI. You should click to see it here on the side. And I'm going to click on, I think I'm going to click on design. This is right, different. I'm not clicking on code. I don't have one. So I'm going to click on design. I could say learning activity, but just to be fair, let me just put the prompt in and see what's going to happen. So I'm going to click submit. And let's see if I pick the right section here. If you ever built an app in Canva, let me know. If you didn't know, you can build so many things here in Canva. I have an account where you can create presentations. You can create Instagram templates that can be fully editable. You can create absolutely for free websites here that you can create into templates and sell them. They're selling like hotcakes on Etsy, guys. Canva website templates. You can build apps, prompt generators, all the things here in Canva. So if you have this please utilize it, especially if you have a pro account. Just don't come in just to, make a journal cover or, create a thank you uh, letter or just one template. No, you need to fully utilize this because Canva is paying people rent. Canva is getting people out of debt. And so Canva and AI, that's a bad mamma jamma. So definitely you need to go ahead and find out what it is you want to do. I'm going to use Canva, continue to use Canva to create systems, prompt systems, but now I'm switching it and using it to also create children's stories and a children mini storybook course. I will have that ready sometime next week, and I want to formulate the step-by-step guide that I do have and create it into a course. So if you already purchased the step-by-step guide, you'll get full access to the course and all the things. So let me see, I have an error. So let me just go back to chat and ask this, should I be putting this in Canva code? And I think I should. So let me just copy again, and I think I should be in code instead of actual design. Oh, let me show you some visuals. Nope, so let me just go back. Not design, I'm going to use code instead. All right, and I think that's good. I'm just used to the JSON code. I never used the prompt, so I think that's going to be better. So yes, look up for that. If you have not subscribed to my email, you follow me on any TikTok, I will make sure I update those there. So that's just going to be real fun because then you'll have access to all of the trainings. You'll have book templates, any additional trainings that I have or tutorials is going to be added into that. Any resources, you will have lifetime access to this course, and I'm going to make sure it's very accessible and people will be able to afford it and get started in creating and publishing children's books. I'm really excited about putting that into that format. Remember, okay, use code, journal covers, YouTube thumbnails, and then codings for the apps. Yes, how may I help you? You were just fine, and now you're not. Every time. Hmm? You don't know Miss Rachel now? Yeah, every day. Listen, now you don't know Miss Rachel. Go. No problem. Yes. I turned it. Yeah. Huh. It's a new thing every time. Mm-hmm. Gonna work out? Yeah. Fun? I didn't know they had like workout videos. I've, what's the problem now? You watch this all the time. All right, guys, let's see what we got. Oh, okay. So look what we have here. What adventure will you pick? All right, so let's try it out. Let's see what's going on. I got Science Lab here. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna pick observe. Okay, so it has this tracking here. All right, great. Let's see around town. A red mailbox. A tree. Okay. This is really 7 to 10. Okay, yeah. But I want it a little bit more rigorous in the activities that they're doing. Okay. I'm not really, it's all right. It's mediocre. But I'm not really feeling this, not that much. Okay, let me go back to Canva. I mean, ChatGPT. Uh, chat, we have a great start, but it's very mediocre. I need it to be a little bit more robust. Okay, so I need this like to look like a high level app I will see on Google Play. I will see in the Apple Store that they will want to download. Okay, so let's work on the interface. Yes, and make it a little bit more interactive and a little bit more detail in the different options. It's very minimal. I know it's for 7 to 10, but let's make it really fun. Let's include some like popular things that are general around town and cities areas. Let's step it up a little bit. It's very mediocre. All right, I need it to be a little bit more robust, a little bit more rigorous for the children there. All right. We can conclude some things around the world. All right. Children are out of school. They're gonna be traveling. All right. So let's step it up. Step it up a little bit, child. It's a little lame. All right. um. All right. Let's sit now. One thing usually when AI it needs a little help, because you did tell it something. So while that's generating, let me just look up real quick. Let me go on into Pinterest. All right, and I'm going to see if there is a interface that I see of any particular app or style that I can give to Canva so it can help me and showcase that. So let me just look at and if you guys are not on Pinterest, you definitely need to be on Pinterest. Put your business there, put your services there, put your images, your journals, and things. Link it back to your website. Link it back to your blog. Link it back to your Etsy. All right. It is a great market research tool, and most of my sales do come from Pinterest. Okay, so you guys need to definitely be on here. Ooh, I kind of so and guys, this is money too. Just creating images for apps. That's it. Okay, if you didn't know that, you can do that right in ChatGPT. That's a digital product. You create images for apps, all right? And people can upload them, use them. They can give them to the developer, and they can go ahead and utilize this. So be mindful of that, okay? Or they can use it for inspiration and then design and code it for those who really do want to hire, coders and engineers to create things. All right, so let me copy. I'm going to go back. Oh, come on. All right, so oh Lord, what's going on, chat? Wake up. Okay, there we go. All right. All right, I'm gonna add this on here and just say again, here is a app design. I want you to reference this seems for a younger audience, but this is the feel I'm going for. All right. Sometimes you have to bring your image in, inspiration to help AI kind of get what you are describing, what you want, what you're looking for. And so definitely go get some inspiration. So they kind of rewrote my prompt. They added some other things I'm looking for. They included now my design expectation. Let's see, child. Let's see. Let's see. This is Canva. All right. I'm also want to try this in Lovable. You guys want to take this over to Lovable? Let me just double check to see. Chat, can I use this prompt into Lovable? If not, make this looks in Lovable. So make the prompt um, suitable for Lovable, the Lovable app. Thank you. All right, guys, let's see what this looks like in Lovable. Okay, we're going to do both. All right, if you're just joining, hello, hello, hello. We are creating an interactive busy book app. All right, for our ages 7 to 10. So this is a little bit different. So the little ones will get the actual book with the Velcro, the sticky paper, and all that. Doing their 1, 2, 3s and ABCs. Where this is a little more robust for our elementary kids. So again, AI is reading the code on the prompt is generating here on the left, as you can see, and then it's going to go ahead and display here. Expected something a little bit more, but I do like that. Oh, the Kindness Club, compliment help, and this is great for teachers. If you are a tutor, a teacher, a nanny, my homeschooling parents, this could be great. You really need to go here and you can create some apps that will be beneficial for your class, for your lessons. And if you're using a free account, I believe you get like 5 free apps that you can utilize. If you have Pro, I think you have unlimited. But sometimes if you reach a little too much level, let's say you made 100 apps in here, no, they might push you to do a business account. But it is definitely something you can do, and all it takes is kind of coming up with your idea, going to ChatGPT. I have an idea. I would like to create this kind of app. Maybe it's something about geography, around the map, getting them knowing their states and capital, which is a big one. My middle schoolers, when I found out they didn't know, oh heavens, we came up with a whole big challenge, okay, and focus on that heavily during my program. So here's my prompt for Lovable. Okay, Canva is still doing this thing. Lovable is usually fast. This is another Vibe coding platform. Usually I do this on Wednesday. I was preparing for my little one's birthday, so I'm here doing it now. So we do so many things here. Websites, apps. You do get a certain amount of credits. You get like 5 credits per day, and like to make any adjustments in your website, your app, your landing pages, whatever you're building, it's like 1 to 0.5 points each change. So of course that adds up. So you try to make sure you get a very detailed prompt you can bring in so you don't have to make that many changes. Oop, okay, so this is one where I must be out of my points. I haven't been here long, so I'm using the free account. So let me go, child, just go get another one. Sign into the other one. If you're going to be doing vibe coding and making websites and things consistently and building clients, definitely invest in that $25 a month, so you can go ahead and utilize it and you don't have to be switching accounts. I have not went that route yet. I am thinking about it. Um, I'm thinking about either Canva templates or doing this. If I do this one, I really would love maybe to do wedding websites on here and like memorial or anniversary type websites here. So I haven't decided yet, but definitely this platform. You can start with the free one. You'll be able to at least do one website a day, and I think that's great. You get a few clients, make a couple of $100s, if not even 1,000, for pure the website or the app you build, and go ahead and pay for the account. All right, I'm going to TikTok. Let me check on our camera, y'all. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Much better interface. This is what I'm talking about. I got some floating clouds here. All right, I got a daily challenge. All right, Matt, let's see what we got going on here. I want to see all. All right, so it's badges they earned, website password. Okay, let's see what we got here. Neighborhood hunt. All right. Okay, that's cool. Let me see. Weather detective, draw what the clouds look like, feel, predict tomorrow's weather. All right, here we go. This is a little better. It looks a little cute. Let's see. World culture, pick the country, say hello in a different language. Fun, okay. And if I check off, I was able to do all my things. Awesome. I earned a badge. Where's my badge? Let's see. Oh, world traveler. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Now you guys saw the difference in the other one. Look, if you AI generates something you don't like, go back and tell it. You're in charge, not them. Say that's not what I'm looking for. This is ugly. This is not suitable. This doesn't look great. Now this is great. I love this. Okay. I love the presentation. I like how this is because we want the kid to have fun too. If it looks stupid, they're gonna say, "What is this? I don't want to do it." They earn their badges. Guess what? They can get an award from you. Oh wow! Look, they get to pick their mascot explore, they can pay. Oh, I love this. And of course, they earn their badges and passport. And then any award on top of that that you give them for completing that, great. Now, you want to say, Miss T, I love this, but how can they get to the app? It's on Canva. Great. Let me show you. All right. So we're going to click on use in a design. If everything is done, let's say you wanted to add a name. Let me see. Let me just add Michael. Oh, Summer. Oh, change the title. Change the title of the app to Summer Busy App. All right, instead of busy book, we're gonna say busy app. All right. So let's say you want to personalize it, you change it. Once it makes its changes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can, one, either sell an app like this, or two, you can present it so the child can actually use it. All right. Once it makes that change, it should pop up right here on top. There we go. All right, and there we go. Again, you could come in and change the color of the background. You can say make tabs, instead of check marks. Like we could do all kinds of things here. But now let me show you how you can actually use it. So I'm going to click on Use in Design, and I'm going to use this here website because eventually that's what it's going to become, an actual website. All right. Once you get it in here, all right. All right, it will pop up here in this section. All right, again, you can come in, you can change the colors if you like. Um, you know, add blue. What are we doing? Uh, 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 Ayana, I mess it up. So for the most part, I'm going to click. I'm just going to move my app. Go ahead and click that down. This is the same thing you do for prompt. I have enough room for everything to be seen. And now I have everything I want to see. All right, now once you name it, you can put. Where's my share button? Camera. Green. Green? What's green? I need green. Camera, did you guys change something? Oh, here we go. Oh, child, they sleeping. God help him. Okay. It's not camera. StreamYard definitely gonna embarrass you. I hope you guys can hear me well. All right, I see my mic moving. All right, so here we go. Canva now, button is there. Before, so I can see one, how it looks on a phone, and two, how this looks on a laptop. All right, so it's loading, it's loading. All right, so here we go. I have my app. This is what it looks like if once they get the link and it's on their tablet or on their iPad phone. All right, going to help if you are actually first for the first time, if you're ever publishing a website, an app, a prompt generator here in Canva, you have the opportunity to get your own. You choose, be mindful of that because that's going to be your name the entire time, whether you create an app, a prompt generator, or a website. So Ms. T put Digital Prompt Queen, not knowing I was going to eventually change it some months later to Digital Craft Queen. That's what I said. Once you choose it, make sure you choose the name well. The only thing you can change is the back end. So all this here, I can take it out and just put custom busy summer busy app. If I just want to put that, okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and have that domain. So Canva do let you know whatever domain you pick, it'll let you know if it's available. So once I did all of that, I'm going to now, all right, I'm going to click on the purple button that says publish, all right. And it used to give us a little confetti and say hello, how woohoo, surprise, you got a website now, child. It just go ahead and just let you know, go ahead and look at it. So uh, Kim, I don't know why you changed that. So it will prepare. This is the same thing if you build a prompt generator in here, if you build a presentation in here in Canva. This is how it goes. So now I'm going to click. Let me StreamYard, get yourself together here. I don't see my screen. Hopefully you guys still do. Ugh. If it's not Canva, it's Stream. All right, I'm going to click on the website and hopefully StreamYard get it together. All right. So I click on it. Let me just show you. Here it is. There is a button here that says click on the website. It's going to open and voila, there you go. The app is now published. It is usable. It's still loading here on my computer, so it should pop up. But this is now one that you can actually use. You can sell it if you like. So again, there we go. And it's turned into a website. So this is what makes it a website. You get an actual link. We're already upstairs, yes. Is your link. So this is a link one that you can put a link in your bio. Two, you could put this link in your beacon as a product and sell it. You could put this link in your link tree. Okay. You can put this link in your stand store. All right. You can put a thank you for your purchase letter that you build in Canva and then say, here's the link to access your app. All right, as long as you have a link, you have access to money. That's what I always say. So this is now a fully functioning app that we just built, a cute busy book app for the children. Again, if you have more details, you can go more into details, or if this is your background here, you know exactly how to design this even better than me. But this is great. This is my first actual app outside of prompt generators in Canva. So we're going to do that a little bit more, especially for the summer. We're going to build some games and things here using Canva code. So one, you can utilize it, you can sell them again, and you can teach the children. Okay, I have this website, I have this tutorial. Show the kids to go ahead, watch Miss T, follow what the steps. Follow the steps so you can build yourself a game. Okay. You can build yourself an app. All right. And there you have it. Oh, guys, let's get lovable real quick. Yes. All right. Child, would you please? Come on. Uh, I thought I already had this. I done made another account. Good God, I thought I already this was the other account I have. All right, so there we go. I got some new ones. If we're just coming in, so sorry. Here we go. We created our app. This is the website. So this is what it looks like. And sell. All right, let's take this same prompt that I got here. All right, and now I'm going to take the prompt that the Lovable prompt. Now this app should look so much better in Lovable because Lovable is really for app building. And oh, it's already here, so I'm going to press enter. I actually do. I have my app here. I actually built a bedtime storybook bedtime reading app in Lovable. It came out so great. I wanted music to be in the background to actually have a read out loud, but for the most part, it's there. I can add books to it. It's fully functioning, and I can actually sell it. And if I want, I could connect with someone who knows how to deploy it out of this and add it to Google Play and Apple. Those are a few more steps and a little bit more investment to do it, but it is definitely I'm able to do that, okay, if I wanted to. So if you missed that, I did make a tutorial on that. That is actually on here. It's Vibe Coding Wednesday. So any title, that's Vibe Coding Wednesday. We are building app, we are building websites, landing pages, presentations, and we are using AI to build the back end, the code, the HTML code, whatever that is, or the prompt. Hence, vibe coding, because it is a vibe. Okay. All right. So again, on the left, AI is building, analyzing, generating. And on the right interface here is where we will see our stuff. So this is a new account. So let me see, for those who are new here, this is the first time, I do want you to see a few of the things we built before. Hopefully it opens up my old account. Well, the one I really use. This is the new one. I could have sworn. It opened my other one. Let me see. Yeah, I've probably been on Lovable for probably about the last 2-3 months. Oh, okay. This is my. Oh, hold on. Do I have my other accounts? No. See how you get 5 credits, guys? All right. So it's very important. No problem. I have other websites tutorials on here that show you that. So again, this is my app. So I would take this, copy it, and if I were to give it for free or whatever, or sell it, this is the link utilize to actually put it in my link in bio. Pinterest, if I want to just show, I will make you do a picture. I will do a picture, maybe screenshot or ask ChatGPT for actual marketing a flyer, and put that on Pinterest. And if people are interested, I will redirect them to my website or the link to the actual app if I wanted to give it away as a freebie and tell them try it out. Let me know in the comments how you like it. So you can use it as a lead magnet or a actual product. And the more you do it, the better you will get. I'm telling you. So the more I use Canva Code to create kids games and apps like this, the better I will get. I've done prompt generators, so I've done that really well. And websites here on Vibe Coding, I do that really well. So, and if you don't know, you keep hearing me saying prompt generator. Let me see what it's popping. Let me show you a few. These are a few we created. So this is that's that little one down there. That too. So this is one here. This is the Libby Glass design generator. So it actually makes the designs that you can now print out on what is it? The UV wrap that will go on the actual glass design or your tumbler, or on the sippy cups. But basically, you would click on your choices and it would generate the actual prompt. So this is a prompt generator. It's a prompt system. And I do show you how to do that. And I do have a bundle, Prompt Like a Pro bundle, that has at least close to 20 prompt generators, over thousands of prompts as well. that you can utilize to create different systems, websites, all the things. Now it's going to give a huge update. So if you purchase it now, link is in the description. You'll get access to it. I have a huge digital bundle I'm getting ready to add to that. That's going to be so amazing. There will be no way you cannot make money with this bundle. If you can't, that means you're not trying. You're not promoting it. You're not getting it out there. You're not showing people how they can use it. There's no way. The amount of digital products, the prompts, the prompt books, and things that will be in this bundle that I will have available. If you're in my Facebook group, you're getting it for free. It will be uploaded for Freebie Friday. In my Facebook group, you have had to have purchased either a Prompt Like a Pro bundle or one of my classes to get entry into the Facebook group. There will be a one-time fee that you could purchase as well just to enter. But those are the ways to access our Facebook group starting, um, yes, for the end of this, going into June. Right? Oh, so let's see, guys. Let's see. Is Lovable still going? Uh-huh. Now look how much better that is. Look how much better that. See, Canva, see, those different platforms. There's so many. That is vibe coding platforms. This is what they were designed to do, to create apps. Look at our app. So we're gonna start our adventure. Oh shit! Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Clicking. Hold on. Stuff ain't moving. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Stuff ain't clicking over here. Let me check. I only did it one time. 0 free credits remaining. How it's up all my credits? Me? Okay, y'all. So it just built. Okay, here we go. Open chest. Continue exploring. We got our badges. We got our passport. Inventory. Okay, let's go back. Let's see. Maybe it was just frozen. Okay, here we go. Right. Adventure map. Ooh, okay, space. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This is a functioning app now. Hold on. All right, complete mission. Already, I want to be able to have some changes. All right. I need that to click out. Okay. That's how it works. I love this little trail here, the world map. All right, got different missions here. And this is a little bit more rigorous what they're asking the children to do. This is amazing. This is something that if you are world travelers, you are RVing, you are camping, that the kids can actually utilize and work. I love this. All right, so see all. It's not clicking here, so I would need to make sure this works. World map. Okay, let me see down here. All right, here's all the things here. Oh, I love this. Easy, medium, hard. Mm-hmm. All right, look, I can even add some books in here. All right, guys, so this is just the start. You can say add some books in here, add some activities, spelling, math that they can focus on, some reading, activities they can do here. This is a beautiful app, and I absolutely, if I want to, can fully store once you get all the kinks out. Isn't this amazing? So this is, again, this was supposed to be for Vibe Code Wednesday. If you try this out, let me know. Let me know what app did you create? What app did you build? Did you build it in Canva? Did you build it Lovable? Base 24? I want to know. I hope you guys are watching this and utilizing these information, okay? Don't miss out on this with, there is money to be made for AI and Canva. AI. Make sure you guys have a blessed one.